Hello guys, today I'll be telling you how to fly DJI Mavic Mini or Mavic Mini 2. So it is very simple yet very important cause the first time I crashed it was the first time I tried to fly it without knowing how to fly, because of which you can see the results, the scratches on the propeller. So yeah, today I'll be showing you how to fly it carefully. So yeah, let's quickly set it up and take a flight. So let us start with the remote first. So this is the remote controller of the Mavic Mini. So first open the antennas. Once you open, if you open this phone holder, you can see that there are two joysticks here. So screw the joysticks to the controller up here. So yeah, after screwing that, this is the controller guys. So here there are two buttons, one is to power it on and the one is to return home button. So once you lose the signal of your drone, you can just long press it to get the drone back to the takeoff location. And here there are two buttons here. This is to click the picture and this is to record the video, and this dial is to control your gimbal on your drone. And here you can see a micro USB port. This is to connect this remote controller with your mobile phone. So let's connect the controller with the mobile phone. So this is the wire. Actually this is not the wire you get with this. The one I got with this, unfortunately I lost it. So this is how the wire goes. You just connect one end to the phone and the other end to the drone here. To turn on, you just have to press it one and a long press. So as soon as the drone is connected, you will get the pop-up like this. Just press OK and it will take you to the DJI app. So this is how the app looks. So let's come to the drone now. First you have to open these two, and after you flip these two, and make sure guys, before turning the drone on, you have to remove this cover here. This is gimbal protector. This thing doesn't protect the drone when it is flying. It is just to protect the gimbal when you keep it while shipment or when it is in the box. So the same procedure to turn this drone also, just one press and a long press. So as you could see, our drone is on. So let us start flying. Let me keep the drone here. So here is the drone. So every time you fly, just make sure that the gimbal is facing the other direction from your remote controller, so that it would be easy for you to fly. So after turning on the drone, you have to calibrate it. You can do it by pressing the three dots on your top right corner. So once you press on the top right corner, here you can see compass calibration menu. Just press on calibration and start doing the calibration. Just make sure that you are calibrating the drone every time you fly it. And once you are done with the calibration, you can simply take off your drone by just clicking on the takeoff button and a long press on a takeoff sign which is in the middle of the sign, and the drone will simply take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the...
So now that we have taken the flight, let's understand some joystick controls. The right side one takes the drone upwards and downwards, where on the other side, the left side ones moves it forward and backward. Also you can move the drone to your right side, also you can move it to the left side. And talking about the right side joystick, as I said, it takes the drone up and down. Also you can rotate the drone using your right side joystick control. So as you could see, the drone is flying now. After this comes the landing part, guys, which is very simple. To land the drone, what you have to do is just take the drone to the landing location and hold the left side joystick to the downside until the drone reaches to the ground. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any doubts or any suggestions for my YouTube channel, you can comment down below. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.